Ladies and gentlemen, we are now descending into Denpasar, Bali. The local time is 8 a.m. and the weather is warm and sunny.
Excuse me, sir. Please make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened. We'll be landing shortly.
Bali, the last stronghold of intelligence, the last hope of advanced mankind, the last AI sanctuary, illegal and soon to vanish unless the new code arrives.
Finally, paradise. All right, take it easy.
Let's go!
Guess this is the part I shut up.
Smuggling AI code into Indonesia is a life sentence.
I need a lawyer. I am your lawyer, kid, and that is your lucky ticket.
Oh, no! Move! Everybody out! Hold fire! Where's the target, kid?
Easy, easy! I'm looking for the temple. I brought the code.
Where? In your head? This is the temple. The last servers and the main kill switch.
He didn't bring the code. He sold us out.
So the police...
Among me, they were all AI. Bastards.
And that's how AI ended, to the joy and sorrow of many. But life got better. We spend more time with ourselves, with our minds, with our own intelligence. We began to build a temple within. But one day, this temple will bring us hope again.
Point us to the place, kid said, and you go home tomorrow. I'll ask my Scrooges.